This video is all about cell, the most easy and quick questions you will find on TEAS test. They also help to freshen up your memory from all the science classes you have taken and will take. Biology. What is the basic unit of life? Answer: the cell. Cells are the fundamental building blocks of all living organisms. Whether in single-celled organisms like bacteria or complex multicellular organisms like humans, cells perform essential functions that sustain life. Characteristics of a cell. Cells exhibit several characteristics that define them as the basic unit of life. Structural and functional unit. Cells form the structure of all living organisms and carry out life processes. Self-replication. Cells have the ability to divide and produce new cells through processes like mitosis and meiosis. Metabolism. They perform chemical reactions, including breaking down nutrients for energy, cellular respiration, and synthesizing molecules. Response to stimuli. Cells can react to environmental changes, such as temperature, pH, and signals from other cells. Homeostasis. They maintain stable internal conditions despite external changes. Types of cells. Cells are classified into two main categories based on their structure. Prokaryotic cells. Found in bacteria and archaea. Lack a nucleus, instead, DNA is in a region called the nucleoid. Have simple structures with no membrane-bound organelles. Eukaryotic cells. Found in plants, animals, fungi, and protists. Contain a nucleus that houses genetic material, DNA. Have complex structures with membrane-bound organelles such as mitochondria, Golgi apparatus, and endoplasmic reticulum. Organelles and their functions. Each cell contains specialized structures called organelles, which perform specific functions. Nucleus stores DNA and controls cell activities. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, generating energy through cellular respiration. Ribosomes synthesize proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum, processes proteins, rough and synthesizes lipids, smooth Golgi apparatus modifies and packages proteins for transport. Lysosomes break down waste and cellular debris. Cell membrane regulates the movement of substances in and out of the cell. Cytoplasm, the fluid inside the cell where metabolic reactions occur. Why are cells considered the basic unit of life? Cells are the smallest structures capable of performing all necessary functions of life, such as growth, reproduction, and metabolism. They also form tissues, which then make up organs and organ systems, allowing organisms to function as a whole. Conclusion. Without cells, life would not exist. They provide structure, carry out essential functions, and ensure the survival of living organisms. Advances in cell biology continue to expand our understanding of life, leading to breakthroughs in medicine, genetics, and biotechnology. The following are the most common cell questions. TEAS-style questions on cells. Multiple choice questions. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Molecule. C. Cell. D. Tissue. Answer: C. Cell. Which organelle is responsible for producing energy in the form of ATP? A. Ribosome. B. Mitochondrion. C. Golgi apparatus. D. Lysosome. Answer: B. Mitochondrion. What is the function of ribosomes? A. Store genetic material. B. Synthesize proteins. C. Digest waste materials. D. Transport nutrients. Answer: B. Synthesize proteins. Which structure controls the movement of substances in and out of the cell? A. Cell membrane. B. Cytoplasm. C. Nucleus. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: A. Cell membrane. Which of the following is found in plant cells but not in animal cells? A. Mitochondria. B. Ribosomes. C. Chloroplasts. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: C. Chloroplasts. Which part of the cell contains the genetic material, DNA? A. Mitochondria. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Nucleus. D. Lysosome. Answer: C. Nucleus. What is the primary function of the Golgi apparatus? A. Producing proteins. B. Packaging and modifying proteins. C. Breaking down waste. D. Generating energy. Answer: B. Packaging and modifying proteins. What type of cells lack a nucleus? A. Eukaryotic cells. B. Prokaryotic cells. C. Plant cells. D. Fungal cells. Answer: B. Prokaryotic cells. Which of the following is a characteristic of all cells? A. They contain a nucleus. B. They have membrane-bound organelles. C. They have a cell membrane. D. They perform photosynthesis. Answer: C. They have a cell membrane. Which cellular structure is responsible for breaking down waste and cellular debris? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Lysosome. C. Endoplasmic reticulum. D. Cytoplasm. Answer: B. Lysosome. True/false questions. All living organisms are composed of one or more cells. Answer: true. Only animal cells contain mitochondria. Answer: false. Both plant and animal cells have mitochondria. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, meaning it controls what enters and exits the cell. Answer: true. Plant cells have cell walls, while animal cells do not. Answer: true. All eukaryotic cells contain a nucleus. Answer: true. Fill in the blank questions. The underscore is the powerhouse of the cell because it produces ATP. Answer: mitochondrion. The underscore is responsible for protein synthesis. Answer: ribosome. The fluid inside the cell where organelles are suspended is called underscore. Answer: cytoplasm. The two types of cells are underscore and underscore. Answer: prokaryotic, eukaryotic. The outermost structure of a plant cell that provides support and protection is the underscore. Answer: cell wall. Which part of the cell is responsible for making ribosomes? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Nucleolus. C. Mitochondrion. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: B. Nucleolus. What process do cells use to divide and create two identical daughter cells? A. Meiosis. B. Binary fission. C. Mitosis. D. Diffusion. Answer: C. Mitosis. Which of the following is a difference between prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells? A. Prokaryotic cells have a nucleus, while eukaryotic cells do not. B. Eukaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles, while prokaryotic cells do not. C. Prokaryotic cells are larger than eukaryotic cells. D. Eukaryotic cells do not contain ribosomes. Answer: B. Eukaryotic cells have membrane-bound organelles, while prokaryotic cells do not. Which type of transport requires energy, ATP, to move substances across the cell membrane? A. Passive transport. B. Diffusion. C. Active transport. D. Osmosis. Answer: C. Active transport. What is the function of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ER? A. Protein synthesis. B. Lipid production and detoxification. C. ATP production. D. Packaging and transport of proteins. Answer: B. Lipid production and detoxification. Which organelle helps with cell division in animal cells? A. Lysosome. B. Centriole. C. Ribosome. D. Mitochondrion. Answer: B. Centriole. Which of the following is not a function of the cell membrane? A. Regulating what enters and exits the cell. B. Providing structural support to the cell. C. Controlling cell division. D. Facilitating communication with other cells. Answer: C. Controlling cell division. What is the function of peroxisomes? A. Protein synthesis. B. Breaking down fatty acids and neutralizing toxins. C. Storing genetic information. D. Transporting substances within the cell. Answer: B. Breaking down fatty acids and neutralizing toxins. Which organelle modifies, sorts, and packages proteins for transport? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Ribosome. C. Nucleus. D. Cytoskeleton. Answer: A. Golgi apparatus. Which of the following structures is responsible for movement in some cells? A. Cilia. B. Lysosome. C. Nucleolus. D. Peroxisome. Answer: A. Cilia. True/false questions. Osmosis is the diffusion of water across a selectively permeable membrane. Answer: true. All cells have a plasma membrane, cytoplasm, and ribosomes. Answer: true. Facilitated diffusion requires energy, ATP. Answer: false. It requires a transport protein but not energy. Mitochondria are found in both plant and animal cells. Answer: true. Endocytosis is the process by which cells take in large particles or fluids. Answer: true. Fill in the blank questions. The underscore is the site of photosynthesis in plant cells. Answer: chloroplast. The underscore is a network of protein filaments that helps maintain the cell's shape and allows movement. Answer: cytoskeleton. The process by which cells engulf large molecules by wrapping around them and forming a vesicle is called underscore. Answer: endocytosis. The type of cell division that produces gametes, sperm and egg cells, is called underscore. Answer: meiosis. The outer layer of a plant cell that provides structure and support is called the underscore. Answer: cell wall. Matching questions. Match the organelle with its function. Nucleus A controls cell activities and contains DNA. Mitochondria B produces ATP, energy. Ribosome C synthesizes proteins. Lysosome D breaks down waste and cellular debris. Golgi apparatus E modifies, sorts, and packages proteins. Multiple choice questions. What is the primary function of ribosomal RNA, rRNA, in the cell? A. It carries genetic instructions from DNA to ribosomes. B. It helps form ribosomes and catalyzes protein synthesis. C. It transports amino acids to ribosomes. D. It replicates DNA during cell division. Answer: B. It helps form ribosomes and catalyzes protein synthesis. Which organelle is responsible for storing and releasing calcium ions in muscle cells? A. Lysosome. B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. C. Nucleus. D. Golgi apparatus. Answer: B. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Which of the following macromolecules is a major component of the cell membrane? A. Nucleic acids. B. Proteins. C. Lipids. D. Carbohydrates. Answer: C. Lipids. Which of the following cellular processes produces ATP in the absence of oxygen? A. Aerobic respiration. B. Fermentation. C. Oxidative phosphorylation. D. Photosynthesis. Answer: B. Fermentation. Which type of RNA carries amino acids to the ribosome for protein assembly? A. mRNA. B. rRNA. C. tRNA. D. snRNA. Answer: C. tRNA. Which of the following is a function of microtubules in the cytoskeleton? A. Storing nutrients. B. Providing mechanical support. C. Facilitating cell division and intracellular transport. D. Producing energy. Answer: C. Facilitating cell division and intracellular transport. Which of the following best describes the difference between plant and animal cells? A. Only plant cells have mitochondria. B. Only animal cells have chloroplasts. C. Plant cells have a cell wall, while animal cells do not. D. Animal cells do not have a plasma membrane. Answer: C. Plant cells have a cell wall, while animal cells do not. Which phase of mitosis involves the chromosomes aligning in the center of the cell? A. Prophase. B. Metaphase. C. Anaphase. D. Telophase. Answer: B. Metaphase. What is the primary role of cholesterol in the cell membrane? A. It serves as a channel for transporting proteins. B. It acts as an energy storage molecule. C. It helps maintain membrane fluidity and stability. D. It is the main component of the phospholipid bilayer. Answer: C. It helps maintain membrane fluidity and stability. What happens during cytokinesis? A. DNA replication occurs. B. The nuclear envelope reforms. C. The cytoplasm divides, forming two new cells. D. Chromosomes align in the middle of the cell. Answer: C. The cytoplasm divides, forming two new cells. True/false questions. The cell membrane is selectively permeable, allowing only certain substances to enter or leave the cell. Answer: true. All eukaryotic cells contain mitochondria. Answer: true. Plasmodesmata are channels in animal cells that allow communication between cells. Answer: false. Plasmodesmata are found in plant cells. The sodium-potassium pump moves 3 sodium ions out of the cell and 2 potassium ions into the cell using ATP. Answer: true. Enzymes and lysosomes help break down cellular waste and recycle cell components. Answer: true. Fill in the blank questions. The underscore is a jelly-like substance that fills the cell and contains the organelles. Answer: cytoplasm. The process by which a cell engulfs a solid particle into a vesicle is called underscore. Answer: phagocytosis. During mitosis, the underscore is responsible for separating sister chromatids. Answer: spindle fibers. The powerhouse of the cell, responsible for ATP production, is the underscore. Answer: mitochondrion. Underscore is the process by which cells self-destruct when they are damaged or no longer needed. Answer: apoptosis. Matching questions. Match the cell structure to its function. Rough ERA synthesizes proteins. Smooth ERB produces lipids and detoxifies substances. Mitochondria C generates ATP. Lysosome D breaks down waste and cellular debris. Centrioles E organize microtubules during cell division. Multiple choice questions. Which type of transport requires ATP to move molecules against their concentration gradient? A. Simple diffusion. B. Facilitated diffusion. C. Active transport. D. Osmosis. Answer: C. Active transport. What is the function of peroxisomes in a eukaryotic cell? A. Protein synthesis. B. Lipid breakdown and detoxification. C. Energy production. D. DNA replication. Answer: B. Lipid breakdown and detoxification. Which organelle is responsible for modifying, sorting, and packaging proteins for secretion? A. Ribosome. B. Golgi apparatus. C. Lysosome. D. Mitochondrion. Answer: B. Golgi apparatus. Which cellular structure controls what enters and exits the cell? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Plasma membrane. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: C. Plasma membrane. Which component of the cytoskeleton provides structural support and helps with intracellular transport? A. Microtubules. B. Microfilaments. C. Intermediate filaments. D. Ribosomes. Answer: A. Microtubules. Which molecule serves as the primary energy currency of the cell? A. Glucose. B. ATP. C. DNA. D. RNA. Answer: B. ATP. Which process occurs in the mitochondria and produces the most ATP per molecule of glucose? A. Glycolysis. B. Krebs cycle. C. Oxidative phosphorylation. D. Fermentation. Answer: C. Oxidative phosphorylation. Which of the following is an example of passive transport? A. Endocytosis. B. Sodium-potassium pump. C. Diffusion. D. Exocytosis. Answer: C. Diffusion. Which organelle is known as the suicide sac because it contains digestive enzymes that break down cellular waste? A. Golgi apparatus. B. Lysosome. C. Peroxisome. D. Endoplasmic reticulum. Answer: B. Lysosome. What type of solution causes a cell to shrink due to water loss? A. Hypotonic. B. Isotonic. C. Hypertonic. D. Neutral. Answer: C. Hypertonic.